and I was very much, I wanted to build a local business. I moved to the Devon and Cornwall area, and I want to be part of the local community, the
Mm.
local business community. And that was a big driver in looking at Sales Geek, because I can give back. It's all about a bit of contribution to the businesses that you work with, and where you are. And that was a big factor in deciding that, yes, the timing is great. I've now got the
Brilliant.
opportunity. Crucially, as well, wanted to go into business, but it's it's challenging, as we know. I mean, to do it all by yourself, but with the support of Sales Geek kind of behind me, it looked like a winning combination.
Brilliant.
So yes, that
Thank
was
you very much.
a big driving factor. And then I came up and I met everybody, and that kind of cemented the decision to do it as well.